Why is it so important that when you hire somebody to take care of yard water problems, you hire a professional? Let's go over a few things real quick. 1/3 of the installs that we put in are to replace a failed drainage system. That's a really high statistic. That's a lot of wasted money. Make sure you get a contractor that knows how to deal with all the fiber optics of today and utilities. I hear all the nightmarish stories. Make sure they're well equipped, or they're going to cut corners and you're not going to get a good drainage system. These guys that come in with trenchers, they're not going to haul dirt out. They're going to trench a groove that's 6 inches wide. They're going to put a 4-inch pipe down in that groove, and then there's going to be a couple inches of stone. Come on, how long is that going to last? And how well is that going to move water? Not very well. So you want to hire a contractor that's well equipped. And make sure to do your homework. Make sure this is something that they work at. It's something that they're at the top of the industry. You don't need to hire the sprinkler guy who sees it as a cash grab while he's in there putting in your sprinklers. You don't want to just have any old landscaper do it, because there's a lot of guys that hate dealing with yard drainage. They don't want nothing to do with it. I replace drains where the client says, well, yeah, I made my landscaper throw it in order to get the rest of the landscape work. Yeah, and it resulted in a failed drainage system. For a drainage system, a yard drainage system done right the first time, give us a call.